Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, we're going to be making pumpkin curry. Very mild, beautifully smooth with coconut, some lovely spices. Vegetarian, vegan, and tastes pretty good. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. Very simple this is. So I've got my pumpkin, which I've just peeled and cut it into nice little kind of chunks. 1 can or 400 ml of coconut milk or coconut cream. Onions, and then our spices here, equal parts here, about a teaspoon chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, and then here I've got about the same, like a teaspoon, nice heaped teaspoon of cumin seeds. Garlic ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Cilantro or coriander fresh at the end. We're going to start this off with a little bit of oil and of course add a touch of salt. Let's go and do it. Okay, so I've got a little pan here, a little wok. Got some sunflower oil in there. It could be something different if you wanted. Simply get our cumin seeds and chop them in. Just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. And it takes a few seconds. There you go. Now we're going to grab our onion. In that goes. Our garlic ginger paste. Like I said, it's a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. And just for like 2 minutes, we're going to throw this around in the pan on a fairly lively heat. Okay, wonderful. Simply, let's grab our pumpkin and get that in. And like for 3 or 4 minutes, we're just going to fry this around, get some lovely flavours on it, help it on its way. Stir often. Okay, so just got a little bit of colour there. Still very hard, but we're on the way. What I want to do now, I just want to add a little bit of water, cold water. It's like a cup of water. Just want to cook this for about 2 to 3 more minutes. What we want to do is reduce that water down. Just want to help this pumpkin get on its way so it's nice and tender. Stir every now and then. Okay, so we've lost a bit of that water through evaporation, as you can see. Now we're going to add some powders. So here we go, our 4 powders. Now, if you don't want to do this, you could just be using a curry powder, but I find it's a bit better. Cumin, coriander, chili, turmeric. A little bit of salt for taste. Just bear with me now. What we're going to do is just throw this around in the pan. We're really nearly there. Get this in there. Little mix. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our coconut milk. We're going to drop that in, lower the heat, and we're going to go for about 5 minutes. Down goes the heat, little mix, keep an eye on it, 5 minutes, it should be done. We're looking to get our pumpkin nice and tender. Okay, look at that, it's got a beautiful colour, slightly thickened up as well. That's great. Check that for salt if you want to add any more salt. Finally, we're just going to add in our roughly chopped cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Turn the heat off, give that a mix, and that's done. That is wonderful with rice. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.